Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog and welcome to another episode of Tech Unboxing. And for this video guys, we're going to unbox another affordable and budget-friendly web camera, the Gsou T16s. And guys, we are going to compare this with the Redragon GW800, which I made a review a few months back, and if you're interested with that video, I will leave the link on the description down below. Okay guys, without any more further ado, let's unbox the Gsou T16s Full HD web camera. But before anything else guys, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer. And this is my YouTube channel. Okay guys, before we open up the box, let's just quickly read what's written or the specification. So it's Full HD 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second. It's plug and play and with built-in digital microphone and anti-peep feature, most probably because it features a cover on the lens. Maybe that's the meaning of this anti-peep. Okay, so basically that's it. No more other detailed specifications written outside the box. So let's go guys, let's unbox. Okay, so here's the unit, the web camera itself, and I think a quick installation guide. So let's take a look on the unit itself. So this is what I'm telling you about, the lens cover. Okay. So let's compare it side by side with the GW800, the Redragon Hitman. So when it comes to size, it's almost the same. So the T16s, the Gsou T16s is slightly larger. When it comes to build quality, I think the Redragon GW800 feels more premium. The Gsou T16s feels a little plasticky. And both is mountable on a tripod. And the clip, for me, the GW800, the Redragon Hitman, is, I think, of higher quality or much stable compared to the Gsou. Both are Full HD 1080p. So okay guys, now that we see the physical comparison, let's now proceed to the performance comparison. So like what I did a few months back when I compared this GW800 with an A4 Tech Full HD web camera and a Logitech 720p web camera, we are going to use OBS to record the web camera's output video simultaneously. So okay guys, let's transfer to my laptop so we can proceed with the video output comparison of the Redragon GW800 and Gsou T16s. So okay guys, welcome back. So here we are simultaneously outputting the video from Gsou, this one, Gsou T16s, and Redragon GW800. So okay guys, before we proceed to my initial impressions with regards to the picture quality, let me just share with you the prices for both the web cameras. So for the Gsou, I got this from an online seller for 990 pesos. And the Redragon GW800, I got it from a computer shop in Festival Mall in Alabang. So the price is 1,850 pesos. And for this simultaneous shot, I'm using my laptop's built-in microphone. But for the individual shots, later on, I'll be using the built-in microphone for both Gsou and Redragon. So you will have an idea how is the performance of the built-in microphone for each of the webcams. Okay guys, so let's proceed to my initial impressions. So I think the Gsou T16s is the colors are punchier, or the contrast is a little bit higher, but the Redragon GW800 is much more natural. So it doesn't have that punchier effect of the Gsou. The field of view is wider for the Gsou T16s. And I think guys, the Gsou T16s captures a little more detail as compared to the Redragon. As you can see in the Gsou, my little pimple here is more pronounced as compared to the Redragon. It's almost non-existent. So okay guys, which camera's picture quality do you prefer? Do you prefer the Gsou T16s or the Redragon Hitman GW800? Let me know on the comment section down below. So kindly share with me your thoughts. But initial impression, honestly, I prefer the Redragon GW800 because it's more natural looking. I think when you look more closely on the Gsou T16s, the picture quality is a little washed out. So guys, let's transfer to the individual camera. So let's check out first the Gsou. So here it is guys. I'm also using the built-in built-in microphone of the Gsou T16s. So mic test, 1, 2, 3, sound check, sound check. So how do you find that? Sound check, 1, 2, 3. So let's now transfer to the Redragon GW800. Sound check, 1, 2, 3. Sound check. Testing the built-in microphone of Redragon GW800. So once again, let me know on the comment section down below what's your opinion of the picture quality and sound quality of the GW800. So okay, so personally for me, I prefer this natural look of the GW800. And let's go back to the simultaneous shot. So here it is once again guys. And by the way, my lighting source are fluorescent lights, and I have a tabletop ring light, studio ring light there. So okay, that's it guys. That's our quick comparison of the Gsou T16s and Redragon GW800 budget-friendly and affordable web cameras. So guys, I hope you've learned something, or I helped you in my own little way in deciding which web camera, affordable web cameras you will get, especially in this time of lockdown where we're always staying home for our work from home setup, or if you're a student or teacher, for your online teachings and your online classes. So once again guys, this is the Gsou T16s and this is the Redragon GW800. And if you happen to like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up icon below this video, and guys, kindly give me some love and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you will be the first one to know whenever I upload videos. So guys, once again, thank you very much for watching my channel. I hope and pray that you are always safe and healthy despite this pandemic caused by the coronavirus disease. And guys, always stay home, stay healthy, and God bless everyone.